Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire on Roblox mobile. First, launch the Roblox application on your mobile device. Navigate to the search bar and type in Solitaire. You'll see several game options. Choose one with good ratings and a high player count. Once selected, tap to enter the game and prepare to begin your Solitaire journey. It's a straightforward process to get started, ensuring you can quickly dive into the classic card game fun. Once inside the game, take a moment to observe the layout. You'll typically find 7 tableau piles, 4 foundation piles, and a stock pile. To move cards, simply tap and drag them to your desired location. If you make a move you regret, don't worry. Most Roblox Solitaire games include an undo button, usually located at the bottom or top of your screen, allowing you to reverse your last action and try a different strategy. The core objective is to move all cards to the 4 foundation piles, building them up from ace to king by suit. On the tableau, you build down in alternating colors, placing a red queen on a black king, for example. When you run out of moves on the stock pile, draw new cards, usually 1 or 3 at a time, to reveal more options. Remember these fundamental rules to guide your gameplay. To increase your chances of winning, always prioritize revealing hidden cards in the tableau piles. This opens up more potential moves and helps you uncover crucial cards. Avoid moving cards to the foundation too early if they could be used to unlock other tableau cards. Also, don't hesitate to use the undo feature to experiment with different sequences of moves. Strategic thinking is key to mastering Solitaire on Roblox mobile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.